a good morning. Got more bananas for her, got more data from my phone, got a little coffee action in. Now, go home, make a little lunch. Check it out, we got a little baked chicken for lunch here that I made. Listen to this. Crispy skin, crispy skin. Hey, someone was asking how to make homemade ranch. This is how you do it. Mayo, white vinegar, lots of cracked pepper, and whatever other seasonings you have at home that you want to do it. Maybe sweet basil, maybe oregano, whatever works for your ranch. Also, don't put as much vinegar as Caitlin because she loves vinegary. I would have put maybe half that.
I was gonna put double that, but because you're filming it, I didn't.
Oh, what? You can't make it out of your box? You can't make it out of your box? Come on. Yeah. Come on. There you go. Milady. Little baked chicken fries and wild rice for Caitlin. I don't like wild rice, so I just got fries. Oh, baby gets a fry. She's having broccoli and carrots.
It's actually so good.
Nice.
Like it tastes like Canadian chicken.
Whoa, nothing like Canadian chicken.
Like, it's not hard, it's not tough.
Oh, cool. Yummy. Mmm. Oh yeah.
It's good, right?
Mmm. Super tender chicken. I nailed the skin, it's crispy.
So good.
Oh yeah.
Perfectly cooked.
Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with fries too, oven baked. Woo. In this little alleyway here, at nighttime, they sell these amazing fried meat pastries. And you know me, fried meat pastry, I'm in. Little assembly line making them right here. Pork with your mushrooms. Batters in pink there. Frying station. Oil looks so fresh and good though. Usually it's lined up here, but I came a little late, so less people. She says stay inside the white line or the car is gonna run me over. This little alley, everyone's sitting down, enjoying their food. Look at this goodness right here. I don't know if spoon is the best option, but oh yeah, that looks and feels crispy. I gotta go in here with the fingers. Wow, it looks good. Looks great. Oh wow. Wow. Super crispy on the outside, and then like a doughy chewiness in the middle, and then the meat super savory. Delicious. What's not to like? Fried pastry and meat. All right, try this sauce here. What's this about? I read online to get it on the side, so I got on the side, but not sure what it is. 100% that sauce is like a Thai sweet chili sauce that you might get in like a normal supermarket. Not really my thing. I would prefer like fish sauce or even like soy sauce, but it's really good though. The fried like meat thing, oh, so good, so good. All right, I'm trying one with the pickled veg here. Oh yeah. Pickled veg is so good, it pairs well with the friedness because it just takes a little bit of that greasiness away, you know? It gives it a nice little sharp tang to it. So good. All right, I got the ultimate bite there with a little bit of the sweet chili sauce on. There we go. Oh, damn it. That totally just fell off my spoon. Vlog life. Okay, let's try that again. Full on bite with the pickled veg and the sauce. Super tasty. Oh, I got a little pork meat in there. Really tender, flavorful. Still think it's better with like fish sauce or soy sauce, but Thai sweet chili is pretty good too. The stall right next to the fried meat cakes right there. They're doing some sort of like papaya salad with jerky and also some quail is their specialty, so I'm gonna hit that up. And then I saw fried cheese sticks, so I'm gonna try a fried cheese stick because it's fried cheese. Oh yeah, refrying the quail. Put a little crispiness on that. Fried meat, papaya salad, and quail. Darn it, I forgot to say no peanuts again. Look at that, a little papaya salad and a little quail. Peanuts to the side. I gotta be quicker on my no peanuts. All right, carrots. Is it daikon or papaya? And then some jerky. And some basil. Get a full-on bite right here. Yeah. Really, really good. Refreshing. The veg is like really crispy and fresh. Fish sauce is perfect. The jerky's a little gritty, powdery, something about it. Not 100% down with that. Oh, it might be liver jerky, that's why. Yeah. Okay, never mind then. For liver jerky, it is what it is. Really good for liver jerky. I'm not a huge liver jerky type of guy. I like my beef meaty jerky. What are these guys? I've never seen these before. Looks like a olive or tomato. It's like a pickled green tomato or something. Tasty. Ooh, really nice actually. I could throw that in a couple of martinis. All right, let's get into this quail. Wow, looks good. Wow, that is tasty. So good. Sometimes you're scared to get a little quail because it's like overdone. This is so tender and juicy. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. It just tastes like chicken. Super tender. No gamey flavor to it at all. Skin is done really nicely. Alright guys. Not Vietnamese at all, but when you're telling me there's deep fried cheese, probably gonna try it. I really hope this ketchup is good ketchup and not that really bad Vietnamese ketchup. Whoa. Okay, so the cheese, deep fried cheese is awesome, the ketchup is terrible. Vietnamese ketchup is really weird. It's like sweet and a weird tangy thing to it. Oh, here we go. We got some lights there. Fried cheese. You can't go wrong with the fried cheese. Oh, hell yeah. Look at it right here. Crispy outside. Oh, gooey, cheesy goodness. That's still going. It's still going. Look at that. It's still going. Oh. So good. But really the winner here is whatever this is. I really like it. Very similar to an olive, but if an olive was a tomato, an unripe green tomato. That was super amazing, super tasty. Everything was so satisfying. This alley, every time I drive by it, bumping, packed, lined up. I'm really excited I got a chance to try it today. I definitely recommend you try it out too. There's the closest address I see for you. Boom. Head right down the alley. This is her favorite position to end every night.